Hey guys, welcome to Language Arts fourth quarter. So this is going to be a different quarter. We are going to have some required assignments, but we're also going to have some optional assignments for those who want to try to get ready for high school or want to expand their learning. This particular one, Greek and Latin Root, is a sketchbook. It's a sketch note. If you go onto Canvas under the module Greek and Latin Root, you'll be able to see there's a 125-page module. So this has 20 different units, and it teaches the Greek and Latin root words, hydra, bio, photo, etc. This is meant to be for the more artistic person, someone who wants to learn this information but wants to do it in a different way. A lot of color. There's bookmarks here. There's pages that you can draw on your own, or you can use their templates. For instance, this first page is mar or mare, and it's the Latin root for C. You'll write related words, you'll write the meanings, you'll be able to doodle. So I know we have a lot of artistic kids in the class and we haven't been able to access that ability. So this would be fun for a lot of people. This is not graded. This is an optional. I will be in touch to find out who's been doing it. If you need a hard copy of this, I can get with the office. If you have questions, you can contact me through Gmail. We will also be having office hours from 9 to 11 through a Zoom meeting, and that will be posted soon, starting the 30th. So this is just one of 3 optional modules that Language Arts can access. Anyway, sure I'm missing all of you. I hope this helps some of you try to stay connected. Talk to you soon.